House lockout with smart key lock.
Hi, good morning.
You have to tell me how close I was to breaking into my house.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You tried a paperclip. Oh, okay. So yeah, so you're not even gonna. Unfortunately, this is like a smart lock, so you're not actually even able to pick these. So
So
yeah,
I could have kept my hair together.
yeah. All right.
Don't ever like close the door again.
Yeah, because yeah. I'm sorry. Can I just see? Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Oh yeah, he's just. Okay, got it. You're all set, man.